I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn multiplying multi-digit numbers together, step by step. When numbers get big, we break them into place value parts. To find 23 times 14, split 23 into 20 plus 3, and 14 into 10 plus 4. Now we have smaller, easier pieces. Picture a rectangle split into 4 parts. 20 times 10 is 200. 20 times 4 is 80. 3 times 10 is 30. And 3 times 4 is 12. Each part is one piece of the answer. Now add all 4 partial products together. 200 plus 80 plus 30 plus 12 gives 322, so 23 times 14 equals 322. Let's try 36 times 25. Split 36 into 30 plus 6. 30 times 25 is 750, and 6 times 25 is 150. Add them to get 900. So to multiply multi-digit numbers, split each number by place value, multiply every pair of parts, and add all the partial products. Breaking big problems into small ones makes them easy. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at uscoreacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.